So welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be removing the door card. And the reason we're doing that is because this speaker is blown, and it's been blown for about a year, and it's really starting to get on my nerves. So I have got a genuine brand new speaker to fit. You won't need many tools for this. All you're going to need is a T25 and some sort of trim removal tools like these, and possibly a flathead screwdriver with a bit of masking tape around the end to protect from scratching anything. So let's crack on with this and get this door card off. So first of all, we need to remove this panel.
So as you can see, whoever's been in here last has managed to crack the grill, but I will glue this back together, so be careful in removing this.
Now with that removed, there's a fixing in here. And the next one is here. Right, so that is all the fixings off the door. So it should be the case of just popping it off.
And then just literally lift the door card up and it will unhook.
So then you just literally unclip this. And this plug here. So that's pretty straightforward to do. And now I can get to the speaker. So I need to whip this off, so let's unplug the connection on the top, like that. Pull that clip off there. Can't see anything else holding that on. So we just got to undo these torques, which they seem to be the T25 as well. And remove. That wasn't too bad to do, but I can clearly see the damage in the speaker. You can see straight through it. So that is why that speaker wasn't really working that well, and it was making those horrible noises. So let's crack the new one on. There we go. Brand new.
And now just simply do the reverse of what you've already done.
Then just plug the connector back in. Done. And push that connector on. If you have any of these that have stayed in there, go under that side first. Then they come out.
Now plug the connector back in. Hook the door cable back on and click in place, and lift the door card onto the door and hook it on at the top. Check all around to make sure the clips all lined up, and now bang them all back on.
a nice little trick for you. Bit of grease on the end. Now put this on. Now put the cover on. So that is how you remove a door panel on an Audi TT Mark II. Thanks for watching.